Uh, hey people, today I am gonna be forecasting what's gonna be happening this session. So, as we see from tomorrow, we have this thing. Um, like it went up. There's the PDA, it went down, and now oops, now what's gonna be happening? Um, we have this PDA which is not so cool in my opinion. I mean, it's not been really taken out in general. So, what personally what I would expect it logically just to go to expand, but more to the bullish side. But I quite not really expect it to go bullish, only because like the whole market is it's just going down. So, what would I expect it to go? I would expect it to go like, like this in a strange way. Why in such a strange way, you could ask me? Uh, solely and simply because, of those hard blocks. Because it can go like bullish, it can stomp onto this auto block and it can just go down, It can go up again, it can stomp onto this auto block and it can go down. And in general, it's, if it just goes bearish, then the external is just gonna continue because externally we're still bearish. And worst case scenario for our bearish direction is, for this thing to pull up to the extreme, go down. But what do I have for today? So I already took a little peek what's happening, and in general it's 12 hours fine, 4 hours also looking I say kind of high, and 1 hour. Now we have a London session, but we're looking for the US session. It's usually better in my opinion. Sometimes London's good, sometimes is US good, but most of the time just go with the US session. It's gonna be amazing. But overall, if you look into the daily, I expected to go bullish and tap these heights. Because currently we're in the fair value gap on the 50s. It bounced off the 50s. By the 50s, I mean, my bad. I'm not explain to you. Like here, here is the 50. Yes, like the middle of the fair value gap. At the middle, there's like a reaction as we see, but uh, I mean, just went lower. No, just kind of goes higher. Um, But in general, what would I expect? Honestly, just to pull back higher and go lower. Today, I would be honestly just like looking for the bullish. Sometimes there's actually a very good opportunity to go more towards the bullish direction, and you go towards the bullish direction if the US session is going to the bullish. If US does not go to the bullish, then definitely go to the bullish. Okay, really, this is it for today. Just if it goes towards the bullish direction and you really want to go for the bullish, just to make sure that it actually confirms in the lower time frames, and I would not pull my stops, take profits higher than like this. Do not expect to take a lot today, really, and I ask like please do not expect to do this because you might not take you in a lot if you would long. But about the shorts, as long as it confirms a short, you can just save your ass, sorry for my language, by just pulling it up above the fair value gap and just going for the lows. 1.5 is amazing. I guess there's gonna be two, around two-ish, yes, like also around two. Again, I do not believe it's gonna complete like in one session, maybe in multiple. But for now, really, I would just tell you just wait a little bit. Bullish, bearish, just go bearish and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, guys, for today this is it. Hope you have an amazing day and just take a look at the session journal. Peace.